everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn past perfect tense. You might have heard about it and it might sound a bit complicated, but fear not, by the end of this video you will have a clear understanding of past perfect tense and you sound like a grammar pro. So let's get started. So question is, what is the past perfect tense? Well, it's a way to talk about two actions that happened in the past and show which one happened first. Imagine it is like a time machine that takes you back to the past and help you see what event came first before the other. To make past perfect tense, we need two things. First, we need had as a helping verb, or we need the past participle of the main verb. For example, I had finished my breakfast before I leave for work. Now, had is our helping verb and finished is the past participle of the main verb finish. This sentence tells us that finishing breakfast happened before leaving for work. So, she had watched the movie before it starts raining. Now again, had is our helping verb and watched is the past participle of watch. This tells us that watching the movie happened before the rain started. Again, had is our helping verb, or it's like watched is the past participle of watch. This tells us that the watching the movie happened before the rain started. Let's summarize the main point. So the past perfect tense is like your time traveling grammar friend. It helps you to see which event, which actions came first when talking about past events. Just remember that had and the past participle of the main verb, and you will have using the past perfect tense like a pro. That's a wrap up on past perfect tense. I hope this video make it easy to you to understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. See you very soon. Thanks for watching.